Good morning to all the children. Yesterday we have learned a new shape. Which shape did we learn? Yes, diamond shape. Today we will revise the diamond shape through some flashcards.
This is a kite. This is a signboard. Next, this is a fish. This is a sweet kaju katli. Next, this is a diamond hand weeder. Next, this is a diamond shaped gemstone.
Now we will do an activity related to all these shapes.
In this activity, here are some different objects given of different types of shapes. And here are the shapes given. You have to match these shapes with its object. Which shape is this? Diamond. Kite is of diamond shape. Next, which shape is this? Square. Window is of square shape. Next, which shape is this? Circle. Button is of circle shape. Next, which shape is this? Rectangle. Mobile phone is of rectangle shape. Next, which shape is this? Star. Starfish is of star shape. Next, which shape is this? Oval. Mirror is of oval shape. Which shape is this? Triangle. Ice cream cone is of triangle shape.
Let's solve the worksheet.
This is the worksheet of diamond shape. And look children, I have colored the diamond shape with blue color. And I hope you all have done the same way.
Thank you children. Have a nice day.